So how do we initiate SEO for advertisers? Who is an advertiser? If I am working in a marketing agency that provides SEO services to your client, I am advertising on behalf of my client through various digital marketing programs, SEO being one of them. In order to initiate this, I need to find out more about the kind of business my client is involved in. So I send a RFI, request for information, to my client asking for details. What do I need to know? I need to know if he has a website or a mobile app in place, the URL of the website and the App Store URL. Second, I'll have to check if the website is responsive, adaptive, or a separate mobile site to ensure compatibility across all devices and to appear high in mobile search results. I'll have to find out the domain age. How long has this website been in business? Always remember, an offline business could be recurring for 10 years, but my website could be newly created. Hence, domain age is important. How long you have been on the internet determines how soon you can rank in SEO. Then I'll ask for indicative keywords, which are the kind of phrases that defines the business of my client. Basis this indicative keywords, I will be checking out competition. I go to Google, I type in the keywords, I see which are the sites that are appearing high in search results. I browse and engage through the site. I check out the structure of the site, the kind of content that is present, the kind of services that those competition is providing. Then I ask my client the geography that he's actually targeting, the geography and demographic. If he's targeting India, if he's targeting Mumbai, if he's targeting the metros within India, what kind of people is he targeting, the kind of keywords that those users will be typing in. Say if he's targeting Tier 1 city, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Noida, Chennai, Bangalore, and if he's in the tourism business, then what will this kind of cities type in, the kind of keywords that the cities will type in? International holiday packages, luxury holiday packages. This Tier 1 cities will have a higher spending power compared to other metropolitan city or cosmopolitan city. Then to evaluate the SEO performance as to where it stands currently and estimate as to where we can make it reach, we will have to see what is the current amount of traffic that is coming into the website through SEO. So as an advertiser, if you're working in an agency, these are the kind of things that you need to evaluate. If you're a business owner and you want to get started with SEO, if you are running that particular business and you're not leasing it out to an agent, first come first, you need to book a domain and design a company logo. Once you're doing this, it is obvious you need a CMS, content management system. We've spoken about this before. Choose a CMS that is responsive. When you're designing the site, ensure that a solid primary menu or the overlay is present. What do we mean by primary menu overlay? Categories that define or describes your organization. You'll have a home page that advertises all important links or pages within your website. You'll have a about us page or a company profile page that talks about the company, who are in the management team, the history of the company, the vision of the company, what are the kind of services that you offer to users or the products that you offer to customers. That is most important. Your US, what is it that segregates you from other people providing the same kind of service? Then you have the contact details. As a reputed or recognizable service provider or a reliable service provider, you need to have a contact location and a form where users or customers can communicate with you. You need to show Google where you are located. You need to have a location present and a form where users, if they're having any issues or they want to find out more about you, they can communicate to you by writing through that particular form or an email or a phone. They can call you up. Advertise your phone number. Under careers section, if you are a legitimate business owner, you will have employees working for you. You need to have that as well. On the products and services, chalk them out separately, cleanly and neat. So if you're a tour operator, you'll have a flight booking system, you'll have a train booking system, you'll have a hotel booking system, you'll have a holiday package booking system. Ensure all your services are mapped out separately for two reasons. One, for users, when they're coming in, they're very specific as to what they want, and you also very specific as to what you're providing, so that the connect or the communication is perfect. From an SEO point of view, you will have separate landing pages that can be optimized for separate keywords. Have a blog in place. A blog will always have fresh content coming up because you will keep writing articles. You may write articles about what is happening in the industry, about the kind of products and services that you're providing, or something about your company. Since you are continuously writing on your blog, it is fresh content that is being generated. Search engines in general always love fresh content. If you type in anything about a current situation that's hot, current issue, say maybe the World T20 that is going on, anything that has been written recently will appear higher on search results. Have your location mentioned. As I said before, within your contact us page, implement Google Maps. When users are searching for that in mobile, the direction must come. Have a right to us form. You want people to communicate with you. Current jobs openings. As I said, if you're an organization or a business provider, you'll have employees working for you, so you need to have the current job opening. And also, how does this help? So if you're into the tourism business and you're also providing hotel services, holiday packages, so the page that has the current openings can be optimized for keywords like tour operator jobs, hotel manager jobs, tour guide jobs, right? Then you will need to connect your social profiles to your website. It is a well-known fact that without social media, it is very difficult to get a brand understanding or a brand communication done to your users. So all your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube profiles, link it to your website. And last but not the least, and possibly a very deciding factor, is to have testimonials provided from customers who have already availed your service. If they are writing good about you, it is only increasing your reputation and your trust factor amongst other people. And this Google acknowledges, and people who have actually writing about you, if about your brand, they are generating content to your website, which is enabling the page to rank higher compared to others. Next is competition analysis. There are two ways to know about your competitors. One is an offline method, one is an online method. So if you've been in the offline space, if you've been in any particular business for a long time, say in the reality sector where you're built in the construction business, you will know the people whom you've competed with for that particular business. If you want to target a land to build a housing complex, you will know the people who are also vying for that same piece of land or the same piece of pie. They are targeting the same piece of pie that you want to target. So this is how on an offline front you get to know who your competitors are. You will be advertising through print ads, television commercials and radio ads. They too will be doing the same in most cases. The scenario changes when you come online. In online, it doesn't matter how long you've been in the offline space. If your website is new, if your competitors' websites are more newer than yours and they are not ranking above you, they are not your competitors. Your competitors are websites that are ranking for keywords higher than you.